How gardening boosts your health. Have you ever noticed how a stubborn weed can completely ruin your afternoon? But watching a tiny seed sprout feels like absolute magic? Today, we are looking at why getting your hands dirty is one of the single best things you can do for your mental health. First, gardening is a fantastic full-body workout in disguise. Squatting to plant bulbs, lunging through rows, and hauling heavy bags of mulch give you the mood-boosting benefits of exercise without gym-style repetitive strain. And you can easily modify every movement to fit your body's unique needs. Beyond the physical benefits, it's a powerful way to build community. Whether you're swapping tips over the garden fence or sharing extra harvests at a local plot, those shared bonds create a deep sense of belonging that naturally lowers stress and anxiety. Stepping outside also works wonders for your well-being. Fresh air encourages deeper breathing, lowers your blood pressure, and floods your system with vitamin D, while tuning you directly into the calming rhythm of the changing seasons. Growing your own food naturally bridges the gap to a much healthier diet. Picking fresh, nutrient-dense produce straight from the backyard gives your brain and body the wholesome antioxidant-rich fuel that they crave to thrive. Finally, gardening is a daily masterclass in mindfulness. Dealing with unpredictable weather and pesky rodents teaches us patience, helps us drop perfectionism, and builds a resilient growth mindset where every mistake is just a lesson. So, grab a shovel, plant a seed, and watch your mind grow right alongside your garden. Shape your tomorrow. Visit tomorrowsworldtoday.com for the latest innovations. Follow at TWT Explore for daily insights and subscribe to our YouTube channel.